stuff, and it's mostly because the Mexicans like that. Look at, Dave, here's the table I want. It's on clearance. Never mind, you're not kidding.
That's a big cabin. The cabin used to serve as an extra bedroom for the main cottage.
Help me? Was he saying help me? He was saying help me. Did you hear him? What were you saying? Okay. Come on, dance. Come on, dance. Come on. You want Sonny to dance? Come on, dance with him. Come and dance with him. We want you to dance. Come on. Okay, yeah. I thought you said help me. Help me. Okay.